So for today's video, we're gonna show you the step-by-step of installing operating system. So first is click use legacy kernel and next is normal boot. So after that, you're gonna wait until it shows the search for boot device. After the search boot device, it will show like this. So from here is you're going to open the Antix installer and you're going to wait until it's 100%. So after that, it will show like this. Click next, then turn on this. So here you're going to use the disk based on your hard disk drive name. After this, you're going to click next. Then proceed to click start. It will show like this, then you're going to click next. So here you're going to assign a login name. So after that, click next and click yes.
Nakabidyo na ba yun?
So after that, it will show the Lubuntu. Then click install Lubuntu.
Location, Philippines. Hitain tayo mo lang. Video.
Yan dito sa Baguio.
Then choose the country where you from.
Bagi.
Then
Manila.
click next.
Lala. Manila po.
Manila,
po
tapos
yung pinili
next na,
namin.
next.
Ini-next po namin.
Next. Keyboard, wala na
Just
nakalagay.
proceed.
Wala
Click
na yan.
next.
Next lang daw sabi ni sir.
Next.
Oh, next
Sure kayo, ah.
lang daw. Oh.
Keyboard.
Lubak naman eh. Oh, next lang daw. Normal.
Normal
installation lang. Oh, next. Next. Oh, normal yan. Normal installation yan.
Next ka na. Wait lang, hintayin natin yung command. Pause mo muna, pause.
Baliktad. Minimal lang.
Next.
Di
Oh
pala
no!
full. Di pala full.
What is this? Ano to? Sinabi ni Sir to?
Ayan na yung ano sa tatawagin natin sir.
Ayun
Kasi
na.
baka ito rin.
Ayun na. Pause.
Bali ba yan?
Then you're going to create a name and your password. After that, you're going to wait again until it's 100%. So as you can see, the installation is done. So if the installation is work, you need to click the home. Then it will show items like this. So it's done.